Hi guys, today's video I'm gonna install something in my tailpipe. This is a fake turbo sound that it should be installed in the tailpipe. The instruction about the installation, guys, it should be installed only here in the tip of this tailpipe. I did testing it already, but for some reason it won't work, so I have to install it little bit deeper inside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fabricate my own holder. Guys, before we continue our project, just to let you know, I am not a certified mechanic. I'm just doing this as a hobby. I'll just use a hacksaw, guys. It's just a small job. Just pile a bit. This is the holder that I made, guys. It's ready to install. Guys, it was already installed. You could see the nut here underneath, and then we'll show it inside. That's how it looks inside. Now it's time to testing. This is how it sounds, guys. Guys, we're done with our project. And I opened the garage a bit because of the fumes. It stunk. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.